Here's a pair of these SHOKZ OpenRun headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Vizio smart TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing is, let's go ahead and put these into pairing mode. Now we'll know that these are in pairing mode when the side here that has the plus and minus button, when the light here is blinking blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. So we want to first make sure that they're turned off. So let me go ahead and let me first turn these off, okay? I'm just going to press and hold that plus sign for a few seconds until it turns off. So I'm going to press and hold the plus sign, plus button. Just wait. Okay, red light is right there. Okay, now it's off. Now while it's off, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to press and hold that plus button again, but this time I'm going to press and hold it and wait until it starts blinking blue, red, blue, red. All right, so plus button here, ready, go. Just keep holding. Wait. Wait. Blue, red, blue, red. Go ahead and let go. It's in pairing mode now. Now let's shoot over to our Vizio TV, and you want to go directly to your settings. If you have a settings button on your remote, if not, just navigate to your settings on this TV here. I'm going to navigate all the way to the left here, and then I'm going to go all the way down to settings right there. Then I'm going to go down to all settings right there. Now from here, I'm going to go down to Bluetooth devices and remotes right there. Let's select that. And then we're going to go down to headphones. Let's select that. And now see that little spinny thing down there? It's spinning. It's searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me. Okay, all these other ones here I have paired earbuds and other headphones paired to this TV here. But these are still in the pairing mode. Oh, and it just found the OpenRun right there. So we're just going to go down and select it, let it pair, and voila, it's connected and ready to go. Pretty simple. And you can see it connected by the check mark as well. So there you go. Now if you had issues where you couldn't put it in the pairing mode, or you had issues connecting, you can always factory reset these headphones. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.